Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Fenix 6 Sapphire. First, familiarize yourself with the 5 physical buttons, 3 on the left and 2 on the right. The top left button controls the backlight, while the middle left navigates up and the bottom left navigates down. The top right button selects options, and the bottom right returns. Press and hold the middle left button to access the main menu, where you can customize your watch face and data fields for a personalized experience. To track an activity, press the top right button from the watch face, then select your desired sport like running or cycling. Press it again to start and stop. Your Fenix 6 Sapphire continuously monitors your heart rate, sleep patterns, and pulse ox levels, providing valuable insights into your overall well-being. For outdoor activities, the built-in GPS accurately tracks your distance, pace, and elevation, ensuring precise data for every adventure. The Fenix 6 Sapphire offers advanced navigation features, including preloaded maps and turn-by-turn course guidance, helping you stay on track during hikes or runs. You can also receive smart notifications from your phone and control music playback directly from your wrist. To maximize usage, optimize power management settings. In smartwatch mode, your battery can last up to 14 days, giving you extended time between charges. Connecting your Fenix 6 Sapphire is straightforward. Download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your device. Once connected, your activity data, health statistics, and workout summaries will automatically sync, providing a comprehensive overview of your progress. Regularly update your watch's software through the app to ensure you always have the latest features and performance enhancements for an optimal experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.